Hello. Welcome to Insurance Agents. Are you wondering if the insurance industry is the right financial path for you? Professionals at the entry level can expect to make more than $50,000 per annum. And this number will only rise as you gain experience. The top paying insurance position is Insurance Claims Adjusters. The typical base income for a chief claims executive is $249,900 per year. They develop rules and procedures to improve claim processing, investigation, and settlement. Insurance claims adjusters in charge of strategically processing and paying claims while staying up to date on insurance regulations and legislation. Financial Analyst. A financial analyst is in charge of planning, coordinating, and documenting project economic analyses. You will have to make the forecasts, analyze the trends, and reconcile the internal accounts. Basic pay of $57,292 is typical for an entry-level financial analyst. A senior financial analyst can expect to earn roughly $103,205 as a basic salary. Top financial executives can expect to earn $373,090. For more information about the insurance profession or about being an insurance agent, watch our other videos too. Click the link in the description below to know more. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.